Hey y'all, welcome back to another day in the life video. As y'all can see here, y'all, I'm doing some laundry. You know, when it comes to doing this laundry, y'all, it's like every part of being a mom has its own job that requires all of you. And like laundry be like a 3-day thing. For the mamas out there that got more than one kid, I'm praying for you, because this laundry between me and Lyric be getting real hectic. You know, I mean, she is in daycare, so a lot of her clothes do get worn and everything. But y'all, when it come to laundry be looking at me and I'll be looking at it like, hello. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so you will never miss when I drop a video. Welcome to my hair room, y'all.
Hi guys.
Hey guys. So you guys, I'm getting ready to prep for my client that I have the next day. She is getting knotless braids, which is my specialty. I absolutely love doing knotless braids. I thought I didn't have enough hair, but turns out I had more than enough hair. For the braiders that know, when you be saving that extra hair, me and Justy, I provide hair, so half my packs don't always get used fully, but thank God I had extra, like 5 to 6 extra bundles of half packs of hair that I was able to use, so I didn't have to last minutely run to the beauty supply, which I do not do. I order in bulk from my vendors. So I would have had to last minutely order it from my vendor or something like that, but thank God I didn't, and I have more than enough hair to style her. And look at Lyric, as y'all can see her in the little corner. She messing with the clothing rack, which I did update. Stay tuned for the next video, because I updated the clothing rack to more seasoned clothes for the girls that are in Michigan. That's where I'm located. And just a little tip, whenever you guys are braiding your hair, even if you're braiding your own hair, spray the braiding hair with oil sheen and detangle, because it makes it so much more easier to detangle through and get through all those kinks. And I mean, you may still, of course, obviously you see I'm losing hair still throughout the braiding hair, but it makes it even easier when you separate in the hair. Y'all, my apologies. Let me correct myself. She is getting the Bohemian knotless braids, which includes human hair. This hair was really great quality. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Make sure y'all, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so y'all can see how her hair turns out. She is gonna let me record her appointment, so I'm excited. I always get really excited when my clients allow me to record. because not only is it great content for me, but it just allows me to show my expertise and show off my work, and you know, keeps people coming in, booking, you know. So separating this hair was very different because it wasn't on a track, y'all, but it was on like a thread. So I had to pull the hair. As y'all see, I'm pulling the hair off of, it's like a double threaded thing. I ain't never seen this type of hair before. So, but I would say this quality of hair is way better than that purple diamond color hair, package hair, I'm sorry, that I've used before. But the separation from that one is not like this one. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. Make sure y'all go follow me on my hair page at Braided by Lav on Instagram. Mamas, you know that feeling when your baby is sick. It's like the worst thing, being in daycare or being whether they're in grade school. Like they're more prone or they're more exposed to the germs and sickness. Lyric has been having this runny nose and cough. It has came and left, and it is back again, y'all. So here I am getting the Vicks machine because I'm trying to suppress her cough. And this girl done gave me a cough, so now I got a cough. And now we both around here just coughing, and she got a runny nose, and just all the snottiness driving me crazy. Pray my strength in the Lord, okay? Lyric is such a helper, y'all. As y'all can see throughout the video, she is just right behind me trying to help me or turn on the machine or do something to just be an assistant of mine. And I be so thankful for when she be trying to help me, even though sometimes I be like, Lyric, I do not need you to help me with this. Like, chill, okay? But for the mamas who have sick babies right now, I'm definitely going to keep you in my prayers, praying for healing over all of our babies, especially as they are in school, healing throughout the seasons that we are going through. In closing out this video, you guys, I want to share an inspiring quote for all the mompreneurs out there like myself. This quote says, "Successful mothers are not the ones that have never struggled. They are the ones that never give up despite the struggles." And that's by Sharon James. So sharing this quote honestly means that no matter what we go through as mothers, mompreneurs, raising kids and building businesses and building legacies for our kids, never give up no matter what you go through. Know that through every mountain we face, God will get us through. Always keep God first. Stay prayed up. Stay in your Bible, because God is the CEO of our businesses. It is He who gives us the power to get the wealth. So keep Him first. Never stop believing or going after your dreams. Just because you're a mom doesn't mean you can't go after your dreams and build businesses. I love y'all, and I will see you on the next video.